This topic is prescribed in the syllabus of 9th standard students. The chapter is chemical bonding and the topic is electronic configuration and stability. We know there are many compounds around us like pen, paper, wood, rice, vegetables, etc. And all these substances are made of molecules which in turn are made of atoms. Here we see how compounds are formed. The compounds are formed by the combination of different atoms of elements. Next, we come up with a very important question. Why do atoms combine together? Atoms combine together to attain stability. This is possible when the atoms attain an electronic configuration similar to noble gas atoms except helium. In the table, we can see electronic configuration of various noble gas atoms. In this, the valence shell of all the atoms are having 8 electrons. Hence, the conclusion is the presence of 8 electrons makes atom stable. And this type of arrangement of 8 electrons in the outermost shell of atom is called octet electronic configuration. But there is something special about helium atom regarding its electronic configuration. The helium atom contains only one shell. The maximum number of electrons that can be accommodated in the first shell is 2. That means helium atom contains only 2 electrons. Hence, the duplex configuration of helium is stable. Next, an important question is how do electronic configuration and stability are related? This can be answered only after analyzing electronic configuration of elements. Here we see that all the elements are unstable. In case of magnesium, it is 2 electron excess of octet, where in case of oxygen, it is 2 electron short of octet. To attain stability, magnesium can donate excess 2 electrons to oxygen, therefore combine each other to form stable magnesium oxide. Similar is the case of sodium chloride. For sodium, it is 281, that is 1 electron excess of octet, whereas in chlorine, it is 1 electron short of octet. So, for attaining stability, sodium can donate 1 electron to chlorine and can form a stable sodium chloride molecule. Till now, we have discussed about the molecule formation of two different atoms. Next, we can discuss molecule formation of two similar atoms. For example, oxygen molecule. An oxygen atom has 6 electrons in its valence shell. In this case, the stability or the octet electronic configuration is attained when two atoms combine through the sharing of 2 electrons each. Hence, there will be 8 electrons in the valence shell of both the oxygen atoms. Hence, oxygen molecule becomes stable. Next, we come up with a question: why water molecule is stable? In water, two hydrogen atoms share one electron each with the oxygen atom. Hence, oxygen atom attain 8 electrons and hydrogen atoms attain 2 electrons each. Thus, both hydrogen and oxygen attain stability when they form water molecule. Finally, the question is, how are the atoms in molecules held together? The atoms in molecules are held together through chemical bonding. Depending upon the ability of atoms to transfer or share electrons, chemical bonds are of two types, ionic or covalent. Therefore, in molecules, atoms are held together through ionic or covalent bond. So, when we conclude, let us remember that we have been discussing stability of atoms and molecules using the concept of electronic configuration. The details regarding chemical bonding will be discussed in the coming video.